Today I'm gonna go from Moalboal to Bohol. The first cab that came to me, he wanted 600 pesos to drive me over there, and I think it's a rip-off. So I'm just going out of the harbor and try to find some cheaper, and we'll see then if that works. Professional tricycle driver!
Okay.
Yeah, okay, 300.
Any trouble?
Yeah.
You
I make flow. I make flow. I make it slow.
okay.
You drive slow?
You drive?
I drive.
And he take a video.
What?
He take a video. And you drive, he take a video.
Yeah, you know, exactly.
Okay, you can
Okay,
But if we have a
You
trouble,
something, then I have. Yeah, it's my fault. Yeah.
okay.
No need to pay.
No.
You drive, you will drive.
There's still gasoline and
We
stuff.
will
So I found this nice guy, and he's letting me actually drive his
You know how to
tricycle.
drive this?
Yeah, I know. I never drove tricycle. I know about motorbike.
Put your luggage
I
here.
put my luggage here. Okay.
Because you are a driver now. I'm a passenger.
Yes, of course.
You bring me in Panglao.
Yes. I bring you Pang now.
This is my friend.
Yeah.
He's a big
Welcome.
guy.
Welcome to Bohol.
Big
I
guy.
hope you enjoy here.
Big guy.
I hope the tricycle driver knows something.
Yeah,
But that's gonna be me, so I don't know shit. So let's see how
So
this works.
you'll drive. Where are you from?
Germany.
Germany.
Oh, Germany. It's
Yes.
too far.
It's okay. What's your name, bro?
James.
James. Nice to meet you, James.
Nice to meet
James
you.
Bond, James Bond.
My name
My name
is
is James
Jeffrey.
Bond.
Jeffrey.
Nice to meet you.
Also nice to meet you. James, salamat that I can drive your tricycle.
Okay.
So always new experiences in life.
Asa ang kwan ani?
Now we're in first. Okay. So we give it a shot. This is going to be amazing and much fun. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you, my friend.
Thank you, the guy. That's the guy.
Okay,
Let's
this
go.
is my first tricycle drive in Bohol.
You are a professional driver, sir. Yeah, really.
Welcome to Bohol.
Thank you very much.
So, how long are you driving this tricycle?
7 years, sir.
7 years already. Oh,
7
wow.
years ago.
That's a long time, man.
Yeah.
That's your main work
For family.
for family, yeah. Always good to have new experiences in life.
Yeah.
So, I
My
got,
friend,
yeah,
I have a favor
yeah.
for the Big Mall. You can shout James because my name in Big Mall is famous.
Here,
Yeah.
yeah. I should shout your name.
Yeah.
James! 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 James!
A lot of people in the Big Mall is
They know you, yeah? I saw some smiling faces. They were like, what the is that guy doing here?
woo.
Oh, come on. Pass that guy. Look at us pacing. It's on. Ah, that is so much fun.
Where you drive a tricycle?
What?
Where you drive in tricycle because you know how to drive.
I never drove tricycles, first time. If life doesn't work out anymore for me, I just come to the Philippines to become a professional tricycle driver. I mean, it's beautiful. Just look there, over there on the other side. It's nice. Perfect. Professional tricycle driver.
The tourist is not allowed for to ride the.
Yeah? But I have a motorbike license.
Yeah, that's only a motorbike.
Yeah.
But this one is, you know, we have a franchisor.
Ah, okay.
It's legally legal.
Okay, okay. Okay,
But
we do
only a private, it's okay.
Okay. Good. We doing illegal shit here. Why not? Look at me when I'm going up. I cannot actually. Hello, do you need tricycle? No tricycle. You need tricycle? Probably not.
After to drive the motorcycle, my friend, you need a massage.
A massage.
Yeah, because you.
Getting cramped?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. I got this. I'm alright. You have internet and I can find it over internet.
Yeah. Like this, my friend.
Oh wait. Okay, I don't let go anymore. That was crazy.
Yeah.
Always keep both hands on the wheel. Oh, the thingy. Just put the left arm away and start shaking like crazy.
Hello, tricycle.
Tricycle!
I like passenger, my friend, because 7 years
Yeah,
7
7
years
years just driving.
but
Can
I
be
like
exhausting.
passenger.
Yeah, man. Yeah, if we would have space, I would drive some customers around. Like, where you want to go? Okay, let's go there. I got it. I got this. Perfect. Let's go slowly down and go in, and then we are. Hello, bicycle.
But the road is like that.
Oh, wow.
No good.
Okay. We got a heavy road
Maybe
now.
just control.
Okay. Slowly.
That's it.
A little bit right. So you can't see that right now, but it's a really rocky road. Maybe you see how I shake around. Really rocky road. Really rocky road. I don't want to break your tricycle. That's why I drive very slowly, you know.
Woo.
Oh, that
Nice road, my friend.
Yeah, really nice road.
Okay, welcome to your hostel.
Oh, nice. Cool. So I drive here, right? Parking spot.
Yeah.
Turning around.
Okay.
Perfect. Like I did this 20 times, man. So we arrived here at my natural vista. We are gonna stay the next days. Thank you, that was really amazing. Appreciate it. And yeah, I probably get from his wife the next day's a motorbike or better a scooter. So check that out. Okay, so that's it. I've unpacked my stuff in the hotel and I'm heading down to the beach right now. And I hope you enjoyed it. Hey doggy. I hope you enjoyed it. How I traveled from Moalboal to Bohol and nearly became a professional tricycle driver. So please like it, please subscribe, put your thoughts in the comments, and hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Click there.